Your first step would be to unscrew two screws which are next to the lightning port, and remember to keep them in a safe place. In the second step, open the phone screen. Use a suction cup or a sharp tool to open the screen from the bottom part of the phone. Keep in mind not to open it from the top part, since that part has the display connections. You don't want to break that. You have separated the body from the screen. Use a tool to open up the phone. Keep in mind not to apply much pressure to prevent damage to the screen. Once you have opened up the phone, hold the screen along with the body of the phone.
Your next step would be to remove 3 screws which shown in the video. Remove those screws and the lid also. Put the lid. It's time to remove the connectors. Use a finger or a tool to remove the screen from the body. Disassemble the screen by removing 2 screws which are next to the home button. Your next step would be to disassemble the camera module from the screen. Once you have removed the camera, your next step would be to unscrew the screws which are in the lid of the screen. Use your new screen and start assembly by placing and screwing the home button. Next would be your camera module. Remove the purple plastic if it comes in your screen and place the lid down and fix in its place by using the screws. Fix down the camera module in its place by using the screws. Once the previous steps are done, make sure the connector sits properly in its place. Place down the lid and fix it by using the screws. Close the phone and apply pressure to the edges of the screen so that the screen sits snugly into its place. Make sure the screen is working by checking and turning the device on.